How do you get your first 1,000 visitors to your website without spending any money? Is a question you might ask yourself. It's a good question to ask because getting your first 1,000 visitors coming to your website is harder than going from 1,000 visitors to 10,000 visitors. First 1,000 visitors are the hardest to get. And I'm going to show you the 4-step process you can use to get your first 1,000 visitors coming to your website. I'll be going over how to identify your audience, questions, how to create the content that's going to bring them there, and how to promote that outside of simply your own website so you can bring in more people and give yourself the best and fastest chance of success to get them there. I'll go into each of these steps in this video, play along, and just to give you an idea of how many visitors I get to my website, I get roughly 100,000 visitors coming to my website every single day. So I know a little bit about how to get traffic, and if you follow along the steps with me, I'm going to show you how you can get 1% of that coming to your website. Let's get it. Starting is always the hardest. It's not easy going from zero to something. It's much easier going from something to something more. If you're like me when you got started, it's very frustrating. It's a very lonely journey starting an internet business. You don't have anybody to talk to. You don't have anybody to look over your shoulder and say, hey buddy, here's what you're doing wrong here. You have to figure it out on your own. But I'm going to give you a model right now of how you can get started getting people coming to your website, that first 1,000 people, very simply. Now, the first thing you need to ask yourself is, who do you want to target, okay? Identify who your audience is. Are you trying to sell a particular product or service? Are you trying to create a community around a particular interest? Or are you just looking to get people to engage with your life? Now, whatever you're doing, make sure you identify who those people are. Generally speaking, this is a make money channel. And this is the #1 make money channel on the internet. Because I'm not here trying to sell you anything. We're here trying to make money together. And if you check out some of my other videos, I teach about how to do affiliate marketing, which is selling other people's products and earning a commission. You can check out the playlist that my assistant will post somewhere up here. Boom, I won. Now, let's say your interest is old retro games, okay? 70s or 80s games. This is called Rock'em Sock'em Robots. This game, maybe that's the interest you want to target. That's your audience, people interested in old games, in old physical retro games. Now, the first thing I would look for, that's #1. So we know what we want to talk about and we have products. There's a product associated with, so we can monetize our blog or our whatever it is you're putting content on, but let's just call it a blog. You can monetize your blog by actually using affiliate links, Amazon affiliate links to a product like Rock'em Sock'em Robots. First thing I would suggest you do is you find questions. You find question-based keywords that people are searching. Long-tail keyword searches are the easiest to rank for on the internet, okay? Answering long-tail questions are great because most people are not answering long-tail questions. It's much less saturated and you can get ranked very easily. A few tools you can use. There's SEMrush, which actually has a question-based keyword search tool. It's called Keyword Magic. Or you could use Google Keyword Search. So Google has its own keyword search tool where you can find searches that people are putting in around whatever the subject is that you are looking for. Both don't require any payment and they're easy to find keywords around. Now, the third thing you want to do is create a piece of content around it. Create something amazing. Create a great resource guide around that. Now, let's say, for instance, one of the keyword searches that you found was, quote, what were the most popular games of the 70s? That would be a great chance for you to put up a bunch of items to list out that, to actually make a blog post titled The Best Games of the 70s. And you'd list out all the most popular games of the 70s, such as Rock'em Sock'em Robots. And conveniently, you could place your affiliate links there and you could describe each of these products and describe them in detail and create really a definitive resource guide to help people out on that specific keyword. Google will give you love. If you are targeting a specific keyword and answering a specific question that hasn't been answered as definitively as you answered in your own blog post, Google will give you the traffic and you will get your first 1,000 visitors fairly quickly. But you want more, I know that. What if it's kind of scary relying on a tech company to just give you the visitors? Well, there's something else you can do to get there. Next thing you can do is actually promote that article. Find other bloggers, find other vloggers, and contact them and let them know that you have a blog post about this particular topic, and ask them if they would feature your article somewhere on their site, or if they would link back to your article within one of their posts. Find another article that mentions Rock'em Sock'em Robots and ask them to just insert a little link and saying, hey, for more information on the best video games of the 70s, check out this person's blog. That way you're using outreach to help the blogger to actually provide more interesting content to their readers, and you're getting traffic. So everybody benefits, and the consumer who's looking for information gets a benefit because they're getting the information they want. Everybody benefits. But the point is to always add value to the world. If you're adding value to the world in some way, if you're helping answer questions, if you're helping making life easier for people, if you're compiling information and serving it up on a golden platter, you are doing what the robots and the internet overlords want you to do, and you are getting rewarded with traffic, and you should be able to earn commissions by using affiliate links or however you're going to monetize. If you're looking for more information about how to use affiliate marketing and affiliate links, I'll have my assistant put up another link to a playlist of either free traffic methods right above me. And if you like this and you want to learn more ways to earn money online, more ideas of how to do digital marketing, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment below. If you got some value from this, just type in value. Let me know what it was specifically that you got value from. Was it learning how to identify your audience better? Was it going after long tail keyword questions? Was it creating a definitive resource, kind of like what I was talking about? Or was it understanding how to reach out to other bloggers and promote your content that you produced? Looking forward to seeing you become successful, and I release videos Monday through Friday every single week on how to make money online. So check them out. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't be a stranger. Leave a comment, say hi, talk soon.